Google just dropped Mad. Microsoft unveiled a voice AI breakthrough. Elon Musk launched a new company while suing Apple and OpenAI, and IBM with NASA built a digital twin of the sun. The AI and tech world just shifted again. And what's coming next could change everything. Let's start with the biggest headline. Google and MIT introducing MAD, the model for anomaly detection. This system is being called one of the most powerful AI tools ever built for understanding the internet. Why? Because MAD can spot hidden patterns, early signals, and rising trends online without ever exposing anyone's personal data. That's huge. Normally, AI systems rely on massive amounts of user data, browsing history, clicks, purchases, even private interactions. But MAD flips the script. Instead of spying on individuals, it looks for statistical anomalies across massive streams of public and anonymized information. Think of it like an AI early warning radar. It can pick up on sudden spikes in conversations before they hit mainstream media. It can detect unusual patterns in social networks, forums, or search queries. And it does this all while stripping away private user data, meaning it's both powerful and privacy-preserving. Imagine a future where governments can spot the early spread of misinformation, where health agencies can identify new disease symptoms being discussed online, or where businesses can catch viral consumer trends before they explode. But here's the twist. MAD isn't just a research project. Google plans to integrate this into its core AI infrastructure. That means in the near future, tools like Google Search, YouTube, and even workspace apps might quietly use MAD to highlight what matters most before the rest of the world notices. And privacy is the selling point. In an era where AI is criticized for being invasive, MAD positions Google as saying, we can still know what's happening online without ever knowing who you are. So the internet itself may never feel the same again. Now let's move to Microsoft. While Google is rethinking privacy and signals, Microsoft just dropped a bombshell in the voice AI space. It's called Vibe Voice AI, and it's unlike any voice assistant we've seen before. Forget Siri or Alexa's short answers. Vibe Voice can handle conversations that last up to 90 minutes with multiple speakers at once. And it doesn't just respond like a chatbot, it actively listens, remembers context, and adapts its tone depending on who is speaking. Picture this. A virtual team meeting where Vibe Voice moderates, takes notes, and jumps in with suggestions. A family dinner conversation where it answers questions from kids and adults in different voices. Or a therapy-like dialogue, where someone speaks for an hour straight and the AI provides thoughtful, empathetic feedback. Microsoft says Vibe Voice uses an advanced speech transformer model, built to capture not just words, but also rhythm, pauses, and emotions. That means it can recognize when someone is frustrated, excited, or joking, and adjust accordingly. What's even more impressive is its on-device efficiency. Microsoft is pushing hard on edge computing, meaning Vibe Voice doesn't always need the cloud. In theory, it could run on smartphones, Arkansas glasses, or even wearables. If ChatGPT brought us conversational text, Vibe Voice is about to bring us conversational speech at scale. And here's where it gets interesting. Microsoft wants to integrate this with Copilot, Teams, and Windows itself. Imagine your PC becoming a living, talking partner, not just a tool. But if you thought things couldn't get wilder, Elon Musk once again stole the spotlight. This week, Musk announced the launch of a new company called Macrohard. The name, of course, is a jab at Microsoft's Microsoft. Musk being Musk, he couldn't resist making a statement. But Macrohard isn't just a meme company. According to insiders, it's positioned as a next-generation AI plus hardware venture that aims to build physical AI-driven systems. Robots, chips, and maybe even brain-machine interfaces under one brand. And Musk didn't stop there. In the same breath, he launched a lawsuit against Apple and OpenAI, seeking billions in damages. The claim? Musk argues that Apple is becoming too dependent on OpenAI's technology, embedding it deep into iPhones and Macs, while OpenAI itself has allegedly broken its original mission of being an open nonprofit research body. He says Apple-OpenAI's partnership threatens competition, security, and innovation, and Macrohard is Musk's answer, a rival ecosystem where AI is open, fast, and tightly linked to hardware. So in 1 week, Musk positioned himself not just as the leader of Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI, but also as the founder of Macrohard, a direct challenger to both Apple and Microsoft in the AI era. If history is any guide, Musk's chaotic announcements tend to shake markets, spark debates, and sometimes completely reshape industries. Whether Macrohard is the next Tesla or the next Twitter fiasco remains to be seen. Now let's zoom out, literally, to space. IBM and NASA just unveiled something breathtaking. Surya, an AI-powered digital twin of the sun. Why does this matter? Because the sun isn't just a glowing ball in the sky. It's a violent, unpredictable force that can unleash solar storms strong enough to knock out satellites, cripple power grids, and disrupt GPS systems worldwide. Surya uses decades of satellite imagery, physics models, and deep learning to simulate the sun's surface and atmosphere in real time. It can then predict solar flares and coronal mass ejections before they hit Earth. That's a potential game changer for airlines that rely on GPS navigation, telecom companies running global internet cables and satellites, electric grids, which could face catastrophic blackouts from geomagnetic storms. And here's the kicker. Surya doesn't just give a vague warning like a storm is coming. It can provide detailed time, location, and intensity forecasts. This is like having a weather forecast for the sun itself. And it could buy humanity crucial hours or even days to protect our technology-dependent world. It also marks a fascinating collaboration. NASA bringing the science, IBM bringing the AI power, a true public-private model for next-generation discovery. So let's step back and put it all together. Google and MIT's MAD show us that privacy-preserving AI can still reveal massive insights about human behavior. Microsoft's Vibe Voice is about to redefine what voice assistants and digital partners can do. Elon Musk's Macro Hard signals yet another AI battlefield. Lawsuits, rival companies, and a fight for control over how AI integrates into our lives. IBM and NASA's Surya prove that AI isn't just about chatbots or apps. It's about protecting the planet from cosmic forces. All of these stories highlight one truth. AI isn't slowing down. It's accelerating everywhere, all at once. From the deepest corners of the internet to the surface of the sun, from our private conversations to global lawsuits, AI is becoming the central force shaping our world. The next year won't just be about new apps and gadgets. It'll be about who controls AI, how it's used, and what future it builds for humanity. And make no mistake, the internet, our daily lives, and even our safety from solar storms may never be the same again. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and share this with someone who needs to know where AI is heading next. The race is on, and you won't want to miss what happens next.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.